my name is Guillaume Slama. I'm the owner and manager and founder of the Chef and the Frog restaurant in the little city of North Carolina called Whiteville. We originally installed the solar panels at the house with another company I'm not going to name now. They're out of business anyways. They did a decent job, but it wasn't great, and they did not finish the project. They went out of business, but even before they went out of business, they kind of stalled into installing the battery. So I was left without a battery for my house. In Whiteville, where we are here, we get a lot of hurricanes and some tropical storms, and the power goes off on a regular basis. And I just wanted a battery for maybe 2 or 3 hours, just to last me long enough for the power to go back on. But that battery was never installed. And so I reached out to Kfir Solar and I said, hey, look, this is what happened. And Kfir Solar worked with my lender from the previous company and agreed to install the battery. The other concern I had was that since that company had gone out of business, I didn't know who was going to be there for me in case something would go wrong with that system. But now that Kfir Solar came into the picture and they're assuming the warranty and they're assuming the installation of that battery and completing the project, I feel really more at ease. Peace of mind really is going to be huge for me. I'm really excited that this company now comes in, and they're not the ones that got the money originally, but they're working with my lender. And they're going to finish that installation, and after 2 years, the nightmare is finally over. I've got to tell you, dealing with Kfir Solar on that one is really, really nice, because now I can finally go to bed at night thinking, okay, I did not get screwed out of a battery. I will get my battery, and that system will work, and everything will be fine in the world again. I would recommend Kfir Solar system because they seem to really know what they're doing. They're doing it very efficiently. They're respectful and professional. They're really professional, and that's really a big difference with a lot of other companies that just try to sell you something because they're going to make a ton of money out of it, but they don't really care about your needs. Kfir Solar really seems to understand what your needs are.